Hi everyone and welcome back to the RoFL Battles. Now if scare cams and pranks are your thing, well you've just found your happy place. I'm Gary and today we're going to be pitting some of the funniest and craziest scares head to head to see which one will take home the trophy today. So for our first matchup we have the air horn pranks versus hidden speakers. Which one is going to make you lose it first? Let's find out.
Okay, close your eyes, Okay. Now, what noise is this?
Dog.
Yes. Okay, now what noise is this? Beep. What?
Hello.
Sit down and say a kind of space. Nothing. Seid ihr am Umziehen?
Was war das?
Oder was?
Was war das?
Weiß ich nicht.
No!
Those were great. Now let's watch the hidden speaker pranks.
Where are you going? Don't leave me. I need you. Where are you? What is that? I miss you.
Behind you, look. Behind you. I'm behind you.
Hello? Hello? Hey!
God damn, Rosie. All I wanted to do was play with you.
Atención. Este es un simulacro de evacuación. Por favor, encuentre.
Dani! Il y a le feu, dépêche-toi, il y a les pompiers! Vite, faut sortir!
I love it. That was a noisy one, right? Now, for me, the winner of that round has to be Hidden Speakers. I just love that creepy voice. That's going to make anyone freak out and run for their life, isn't it? Now, you are the ones, remember this, you are the ones that decide who the real winner is today, and you do that in the comments, so let me know who you think took this round. And I'm going to be reading them all, I promise. Now, let's keep going with our second showdown. The Scares Gone Wrong versus Behind the Window Scares. Which one is going to have you laughing more? Let's find out.
Mi amor, ¿está bien? Mira, ¿está bien?
Tienes que ser loco, me quieres matar de corazón.
He's in the room.
What are you doing? I'm so sorry.
Go to bed.
Sorry, have a good night.
Now, let's watch Behind the Window Scares.
And then he changed his mind. So what did he say on the call? Nothing. I didn't answer because I knew.
All right, I'm not gonna lie, but. Hello.
Babe.
You.
And Kevin was. Good morning.
What the man with that? It's 6 in the morning, for God's sake. What's wrong? Get out of here.
Espíritu.
Alright, so yesterday. They're right there.
I love it. It was wild, wasn't it? For me, those gone wrong pranks just almost had me in tears. I especially love the ones where they fell before even getting the chance to scare someone. I love it. It's brilliant. Now, that one gets my vote in this round, but remember, you decide who the winner is, so just drop your pick in the comments. Now, for our final face-off of the day, it's scare pranks in public versus the office scares. Which one's going to come out on top? Let's find out.
Hey.
I literally.
Hey, aquí estaba. ¿No la miraste?
Holy shit!
Mom, can I take a quick boomerang of you?
Who was that?
Hey, buddy!
Now it's time for the co-workers scares.
Let's go! Holy.
Hello, good.
Thank you.
Oh my god!
I came 4 times this morning. 4 times.
One. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Come on.
Lindsay!
Oh! What's wrong with you? Brody did that. So funny. Shut up! Jesus Christ!
Love it. The winner for me has to be Office Scares. I don't know what it is. It's just something about seeing your co-workers freaking out when they least expect it. That never gets old. Maybe I'm mean. I don't know. Remember, though, it's you that decides who the champions are going to be today. So make sure you comment on your 3 favourites from today's battle so we can see if we match up. Now, if you had fun, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next showdown with more of the funniest scare cams and pranks. Bye.